Here's how we're going to make our 4-strand buckle core that can also be expanded to a 6-strand core. The distance between the buckles will be your woven paracord bracelet, so size it accordingly. I'd suggest adding anywhere from 1/4 of an inch of length for thinner bracelets to about 1/2 an inch for thicker ones. Also ensure that you have one male and one female end on each side. When setting the length, start measuring from the end of the female buckle to right where the prongs begin on the male buckle. We're going to start by taking the midpoint of our main weaving strand, passing it through the bottom of the buckle. Then pull that midpoint to the opposite buckle along the length of the bracelet and have the midpoint just touching the opposite buckle. Going back to the top, the right side running end is going to pass over the right standing end. And then it's going to pass through the bottom of the buckle, staying under the standing end, and cinch up the knot to complete the hitch knot. On the left, the running end passes to the right on the inside, then it passes over the standing end, and then through the bottom of the buckle and under the standing end. Pull tight and cinch up that second hitch knot. From there, we're going to move to the bottom. The right running end is going to pass through the top of the buckle, then go through the bite in the middle that we created earlier, then pass the running end to the right, and then through the bottom of the buckle and stay under the standing end. Cinch the slack out and complete the hitch knot. Then on the opposite side, we do the same but mirrored, running end through the top of the buckle and then through the bite in the middle. Move the running end over to the left on the front, and then pass the cord through the buckle from the bottom. And stay under the standing end, cinch it up and complete the hitch knot. So we've now created a 4-strand buckle core. If that's what you're using, you will start weaving from here. If you need a 6-strand core, we can create that by now taking the running ends on each side, and then we pass them through the hitch knots at the first side where we started to create a 3rd pair of core strands, making 6 in total. From here, you can start weaving, or even snip and melt the running ends where they are to make a contained 6-strand core.